Welcome to our how-to video on how to download and install a driver. Over the course of time, drivers can become corrupt or just not load properly, or even sometimes we want to install a newer driver. In our case today, we are going to update our video card driver. To determine the device model as well as the manufacturer, we will need to go to Control Panel. Once Control Panel opens up, we can then choose System by double-clicking on it. The System Properties box should open up. Under Windows Vista and Windows 7, you will have a heading for Device Manager. Under Windows XP, you need to click on the Hardware tab and choose Device Manager. The Device Manager lists all the hardware currently installed on your computer. As you go down the list, if you notice yellow exclamation points, that means that that driver is not loading properly and will need to be reinstalled. In our example, we are going to update our display adapter or video card driver. We need to click on the plus sign next to the display adapter. This will give us our manufacturer name as well as the model number of our video card. Notice it is manufactured by NVIDIA and it's the GeForce 6800 series. Now that we have this knowledge, we can go to their website to download their driver. Now we can connect to the internet and go to NVIDIA's website. Depending on the website, it may take a few seconds to open up. Now, luckily on the NVIDIA website, we notice that it has a heading for download drivers. If not, we would have to go to support and look for the download drivers heading there. For right now, we'll go ahead and choose download drivers. Notice that it is giving us multiple choices. We know that we're using a GeForce. However, we are using the 6800 series card, so we will click on our choices. A lot of manufacturers will abbreviate their series. We know our series starts with a 6, so we'll click the 6 series option. Then we will choose the box underneath it to locate our 6800. We already know we're using Windows XP on this system, so that is okay. And of course, the English language. We'll click on Search. And it will give us our version number of the driver, the date it was released. As we see, this was released on July 19th of 2010, so it's a current driver. But also notice that the size of the file is 82 megabytes. We will click on Download. And of course, you would have to agree to continue the download. Then it will give us an option. Actually, two options. One is to run, the other is to save. You do not want to choose Run with a file size of 5 megabytes or larger, only because problems could occur while it's downloading and it would glitch on an install. In this instance, we'll choose Save, which means we are going to save it on our computer. Notice that it's already set for desktop. This would be the easiest choice. If desktop is not available to you, you can use the drop-down box and choose it from your list. This makes it easier to locate that driver to install it afterwards, or to copy it to a CD or jump drive. Click on Save, and it will automatically start downloading to your computer. Notice that on our broadband connection, it states that it will take 7 minutes to download. We'll go ahead and let that do that and pick up afterwards. Our download is now complete, so we can go ahead and close out of these windows. All we need to do now is double-click on our downloaded file to start the installation process and follow the instructions on the screen. After you install your driver, it is always recommended to restart your computer. I hope you found this video helpful, and please visit us again at mymicrocenter at youtube.com. Thank you.